Good morning.
Good morning. Hope you guys slept as well as we did.
We shared stretches last night.
There were
Hell
5
yeah.
people in this tent.
I slept good.
Yeah, it's just fucking hot this morning, eh?
This tent is an oven in the mornings.
What are we doing now, honey?
So now, I look absolutely fucking ratchet. It's fine. Buy our voorraad for today. We're probably gonna go to the beach today, which is nice.
Yeah, it's
Beach
hot
vlog.
today. Yeah, we're gonna go to the shop. We're gonna get breakfast. We'll see what happens from there.
If it's staying as much as we thought it would.
Yes. Cute. Me and Hanley are gonna go look for cereal.
Yeah, because we're picky fucking eaters.
And I just love cereal.
Yeah, we found it.
Oh, on the cereal. I like this like a nice chocolate moment.
Smaak en snel chocolate.
Dit is mijn pak eiers kan. Things are really going better now. We have food. Everything is dry. It's gonna be hot today. Finally gonna actually be on matric vacation. Yes.
Yeah, right?
It's so pretty. Oh yeah. I just got dressed into my swimsuit, and now we're gonna eat breakfast, and then we are going to go to the beach and swim. Woo. It's so hot today. Well, compared to like the past 2 days.
Been storming
and raining. It is wet. Oh my gosh. Our tent is absolutely flooded.
Like, this is the first time that the sun is out at all.
And it's so nice.
Very grateful. I will never complain
very
of the
good.
heat ever again.
Me neither.
We'll keep you updated.
Keep you updated.
I can't do! Quibus!
Come on. Hey!
Look at the quibus. Dogs in it.
We just got back from the beach, and now we're gonna go drink something. We're going for like a milkshake or something, yeah.
A milkshake.
So hot.
I'm gonna see if I can actually get a little bit of curl.
There's stuff in it. Just got back from having lunch, and we're all just chilling at the moment. I will keep you updated. Look how pretty that
Shop.
I'm sitting on the beach now, looking at Laura and Albert swim. And I think everyone else is just setting up to make dinner. Yeah. Vlog has no idea what's going on. We're bowling. We just ate our bowling. Yeah. We are back in our tent right now. We're gonna go sleep. It's been a long day. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Good night. Say good night, honey.
Oh shit. Good night.